Hey there, welcome back to Skill Ful Solutions. Today we've got an exciting adventure lined up for you. If you've ever dreamed of having a stunning website without the headache, you're in the right place. We're diving deep into the world of Squarespace, the ultimate platform to bring your website vision to life. In this step-by-step tutorial, I will walk you through everything you need to know to create a jaw-dropping website that showcases your brand, blog, or portfolio. Whether you're a beginner or looking to up your Squarespace game, stick around because we've got you covered. Step 1. Getting started. First thing first, let's set the stage. I will guide you through signing up for a Squarespace account, selecting the right template for your niche, and giving you a sneak peek into the user-friendly interface. Step 2. Customization and branding. Time to let your creative juices flow. Learn how to personalize your website by changing fonts, colors, and adding your logo. We will also explore how to structure your site's navigation for optimal user experience. Step 3. Adding content. Here comes the fun part, adding your content. I will walk you through uploading images, videos, and creating engaging blog posts. You'll also discover how to organize your content to make it visually appealing and easy to navigate. Step 4. Creating pages and layouts. No more cookie-cutter websites. We will delve into creating unique layouts using Squarespace's blocks. From home pages that pop to eye-catching contact forms, you will have the tools to captivate your audience. Step 5. SEO and analytics. What good is a fantastic website if no one can find it? I'll share essential search engine optimization techniques and walk you through integrating Google Analytics to track your website's performance. And there you have it, your very own masterpiece crafted with Squarespace. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment and refine your website as you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Skill Ful Solutions for more tech-savvy content. Feel free to drop your questions and thoughts in the comments below. Are there any platforms or tools you'd like us to cover? Let us know. Until next time, stay tech-inspired and keep creating with Skill Ful Solutions.